A very good morning. Emma Hunyina. Emma Makwaba Edeba ADUMASA TV eso. Na anopay yesi nkunya. Enso medika neditie. Na yabobo nyina no. Ya yede ebremo no newspaper headlines. De etodwa ya womo ede aba abegu ya pronso no. Eno na anopay mesi nkunya ya mede ebremo. Na anopay yehye yehun kran ede afri Philippians chapter 4 verse 13. Or say, I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Mitumia di nyina ye wonyamia o shemeden. Enu nti anopay ene fiada boja ye yuso. De meka che nyina ene se. Obetumi ade nyina ye wonya akopon a obehye woden no so. Nti wo ye bibia mensuro, membohu, menwonwene bibia wo ye ho se ade a mi ye netumi ana yekodro honhom me will be ana ya mensuro di kan fa hye Nyankopon sa na gi hu di sa ade na wo ye no betumi aye na wo be yeso no wa ye ne yie se wo gi hu di na onim sa ade a wo ye no ya ade a eye ede a na entie obi ana ema obi ensu ede a ene fa owura nyina hye Nyankopon mu na enya nsini a nem honhom sa ade a me ye metumi aye na Nyankopon se wo de owura ehye ni mu a you can do all things. Obetuma ye bibia wo nu Nyankopon a o hye ye den no. Nti anopay ADUMASA TV nkwanhye semo a ye de ema wo na ye de ahye ye show na se eno no. Anopay ba ko hye enu anwumre. Yenya press release if man panyini atena ye efa IGP foforo ya wayi no eho. Menu be dia dance ye enu a ye show so ene de betu dwa se yenya nyakata bi e kire se o man panyini asesa dan pare. Inti na asase radio de omodi kan da beto onom na kire mo se ye de yenhu ya yenka inti na kese eno ho asem so no we de release no ankasa atumi apie edwa yenhu se police personnel ahodo so ebo se ene ade inti new IGP a oba no ene ye kan IGP no ye de omu nyina begu nsani ani na yakari na yahwe omudi bre modern bo omabo e wo post adwumanim na ye de ni nyina abrew acoustic to hye yentade nti ene anopay ehun se me ho aye feyi pa eye Ghana ye ni African print ena okeka si ani ededudwa me ama me ho aye fe na ye Ghana man ti de na me represent Ghana for acoustic 055 307 5526 top solo electrical say what's the dyna per wiring and I say open keni ahodo ono no behwe no siesie e dia mawo enti frɛ no 0241 72 97 33 no hwe mawo obo ha no ya azaa odi oni emekokoma no ebeye bibie wo ho enti pe top solo no hwe emfa mawo oyi kai de bitas so eye nubna hahaba man ya kan bom dia hakọ kakra bia som ti wonu ama onya immune system ne boost ama ono onya ofili benze na yede de ama wono ene nya asem ketoa ono so behwe na wanya bia bobo ayi for parties ahodo nyina oyiri kayiri ebehwe ni nyina ede ama wo Josie Enterprise ese wotoka ho niema ewa atonsu enti se oba na kachia na tena yeso a ono so behwe ni nyina eho ensem de ama wo Sister Sandy Ladies Way or say oba ono so manta de emema eniema afedi ye de ebo life ope chains ahodo rings ahodo bags ahodo bia won so ebetumi aka enwe ada romana no pay wo mo eso me pechi ama me de ono pay yesu so etumi abremo straight away yentinsi newspaper headlines nim na yenhwe nsɛmhodoɔ ya aba abeto ya pono so na yehu de ebeye ede afa ho enti yekɔ ye screens no so na de eka ede kyerɛ yen so yakɔhwɛ bi ɛwɔ hɔnom okay enti sedemsi eka yen no newspaper headlines ɛho dwumadie ɛna yekɔ producer abeto so na yakenkan bi ede akyerɛ na so wahwɛ nsɛm a ɛkɔ so efiti nnura ɛbɛpem ɛna no pɛ nyina no the National Voice said 2.7 billion Jubilee House budget for 2025 suspicious must be scrutinized. Paul Chum barima and or dia tudwa and watch say sika twitwi die 2.7 billion na yede elbow jubilee house ho bra no was say emu orem was yitumi eye bibi e de fa ho yebetuma tete niema bi so e wo omatena ye honom no san say sika no osusu se esododo yebeko in next paper industry expert builds capacity on vaccine development in Ghana and the vaccines aye na Ghana hanom they won pani no and wo ka ho asem yeah watch say vaccine in that expert one more industry one more ehwe vaccine ne ye no eso no say COVID-19 time no and am panyin na nado esi vaccine industry hanom sabaya vaccines ahodo ye crafting conform so ba no eto betuma brase na we no ka say industry no empanifo wo mu no Africa hanyina no wo mo ahia esinkonya adwendwene sa atan no ehum application of data science in fight galamsey no da be for kwan ebe fa so na wako galamsey ekon no and after the next freeze on employment in 2025 budget afei aban one year for mu enwuma no what say net freeze say so ya ayema no eka budget ya na no omobeka ye no ehun nti yebeko the insight the obokrata no eso na ono so say National Cathedral NP calls for investigations to $58 whole project nti sikai de ebo National Cathedral ho bra no eno ho asem so na graphic yi eka awa ha no National Cathedral yentumi enwie na ndc for so kofa wo mo village hard village so ehonsam aba na ni nyina no ebepeda na yabo ho enkomo movement across the world call for end to all US military exercise on the Korean peninsula on so Korea international and foreign the na ode aba na captured potential revenue in the budget statement the case of property taxes revenue enti na no yerato forcing ekasa no or the to just say or bepe kwan afa so and or the new way gigi revenue ato no na ni na etumi akwa aban no ho e dey aba way or breakdown on your revenue or your capture within a year no just the budget statement e buy no it was also in na ehu hia or kwan ampanifo person mo fa so na omodi sa djuma no yanko your next graphic. Okay. Okay, so we are moving on to the patalist. The patalist. Patalist is say perform or get sacked. Perform or get sacked. Mahama tells new CEOs. Boajuma ana say hey mayem pamo. Omampanyi Mahama na eka sansan say aswafo ana asomfo. Ya wayi wo mo for na djuma no. State institutions ahodo no. Unpa ko wan perform ya waha na pa wama na dwuma di ahodo wodi nyina no ebe yesa mama atamfo anya no nti o se wa ye di wato asoye bia no bo adwuma anase ma yempamo bo adwuma anase ma yempamo President Mahama ND ama state CEOs chief executive officers omoda institutions ahodo no the name Ghana never came from JB ni Moy Thompson or say Ghana edin eda yeso no and free era JB dankwa ya wanyen baby kro eho ene ba ya patalist dey do the ba ya no Guta Momo agent Edu Watch Professor Popkin other Hills 2025 budget and Guta Ghana Union of Traders Association Momo agent omo mobile money Edu Watch Educational Watch omo yeku omo hwe aban education said the AC aircon Edu Watch hwe womo adwumadi ahodo womo nyina said the aban eye ofa nwumasua ho no eya na ntom do meyeku a womo de yensi womo de womo nye ama asam ma womo de ni a womo de womo sese de tebia omema education ministry no achi ya womo so Guta ede eho asem abeto the custodian as the NDC engages in statistical thievery enti was the NDC for Ghana Statistical Service eyiku ya womo de enema gu nsanie ni womo hwe adwadie womo hwe awo ewuo bibia no eba se opedwuhwemu ahwe nipa dodo bia afi omu ewuo afi omu ewo womo afi womo a hwe de adwadie sikoye afi mebu na ewom ni nyina CPC hu number na Ghana Statistical Service womo and mprimpin ya na womo tan eboaye and was the NDC engages in statistical thievery into hono chronos de akoso into NDC for aboewura wo matena ye no eye hwehwemu bi ewo ho minority exposes 2025 budget flaws minority for no womo ayi nano budget akinkan ye no enyema bi a enye wom womo yi na abontin se Ghana fo nyina intia o mato no din se Sakawa jobs 2025 budget gives Sakawa jobs I mean Adam na kanin so afọ no hwe sikasem so say eye Sakawa jobs na obekriti dem aye government to adjust electricity tariffs quarterly European kroma kanin so afọ no hwe ngitanwodi hu nsem so na ode atu edwa ofo say yere bi mrahye bedwani na o say electricity tariffs said the nkani asem si koso na nsen no aban hwe na onyi bibi mfamfa ho presidency to blow 2.7 billion on salaries aban edwa info sika betua wo moka no was the presidency to blow or the be ka ho nsi akwa mno ka say or the bi toto so enti ehon asem eno no Gideon Boakon asem of the bar the custodian eno no yenko in next graphic we page 2 the full story ewo honom na obetumi do adwen che so aba ewo ye page no ase the odwene ho edifa graphics nsem ya womo edi aba eno no okay the Gerard Emmanuel yes Gerard a word in the name the Gerard and say Mahama begins security overhaul with IGP Dan Paris remover General Legal Counsel caught up in strange ruling on lawyers' qualification and alleged wrongful enrollment. AI Ghana Schools of Law. 37 lottery stations under search from land grabbers. Community to be left stranded. SIC insurance. One of your advert. Inti graphic yes my work and say President Mahama Asha say yeah. Bambo edme yuko no national security no woye ensakraye ewum na IGP post sahene no eno ho sakraye no waye tiwa sesa ana wa change IGP a wode mono aba it is part of the story intimi ndo suko mu e be hwe no ho asem na yaka General Legal Counsel say lawyer bi the qualification as a lawyer no omoye enrollment adosuko ewum ahwe say or a lawyer ni mapa and where would do as a lawyer no qualify and I say unqualified next paper na yonko 37 lorry stations at the stage said they omo chese o meto to petrol mintino na chese lorry terminals ahodo no transport fare no be cost and ayira PRO ekasa no so say a free 2 cities to 3 cities womo ticket omo twa no nti producer yonko next story nti ticket omo twa no ekọ esro ntino ebema lorry stations no ho entumi nkone said the you see a pen no ti nyame aduma monday die said the tibia bebia wo bia no omo the increment kakra asan abeka ho a ode ho asem abetodwa publisher the new publisher say minority debt finance minister IMF program not breached into no so ho asem no nti say minority say IMF for program no NPP for woman breaches our project no so ede abantu no bi no ya azan no otunefo azan enya adepa do not kill MIIF lawman Kofi Adoma your harsh words make me wish death your harsh words make me wish death Kofi Adoma Jubilee House Jocelyn Dumas was never appointed Jubilee House Fikesim or say Jocelyn Dumas was never appointed. Yeah, we didn't want some ever. Next story. Yeah, it was so. Producer I found to some my. Make sure I say me can me say Azar and Yadipa. Let's go to our next story. Daily analyst. Or say without fear or favor. Or him no. Dan Paris booted out. And he said that me can catch you no. We a year for Dan Paris. A year 30 COP. Yeah, or no so. About for. And on Monday, on 2 screens, you know, and so at the Amayano. GJA president donate to Alma Mater. And the GJA president, you know, who are donated to new school or vice president swears in new board of Ghana Bank of Ghana board, sorry. Bank of Ghana vice president akoso a new director sir. One more eda anon. Ti director say ba no. O me yadwuma finchim yempaza, yempe meba, meduru ha me de bo, ye be fro na wonfa, enya de pa. Nti Bank of Ghana mpanimfo afei na omososo aba. NDC's deceived victory will not shield government from significant policy challenges. Nti NDC for womo ena da energy a womo je no omuntumi sesa bibia e wogan. GJA condemns barbaric attacks on journalists, urges police and court to ensure suspects face full force of the law. Nti GJA president ena okasa edato say Galamsey in the western region no while condemning barbaric attacks Galamsey for mutuna essential for ba hono mo a na yasem into the two just say said they will see attack a woman no producer yanko next case 2025 budget lacks credibility minority 2025 budget you know minority nature say a lack credibility say be imunyedu and almost so eka afa home the producer and we need the pay on your fast mame the weekend crusading guide we are going on weekend it's weekend the Friday say no yeah na yenya some of the stories eba prophets would soon provide spiritual pregnancy, child birth delivery services, computer man. 2025 budget statement. Finance minister used cook figures to inflate spending. 4.9 billion says minority. Baba Sam's lawyer Chrissy Fine meet his Golgotha. Professor Enim Imani, Ghana sues him to restrain President Mahama from removing IGP, other security heads. 2.7 billion Jubilee House budget for 2025 fishy. It must be scrutinized. Paul Chumberima. It has all been said. Electricity tariff to be adjusted. Producer Yanko next one. All stories are Ewahano has already been said by the previous newspapers. Until you call your next paper so na your publisher your insight you call daily graphic is say Yohonu takes over from Dampare as IGP. So the Nkofodi Kakan Auditor General's recoveries hit 31.5 million money transferred to consolidated fund. Pastor Otabil alleges street law enforcement for national development. In the 3 years, Pastor Otabel will enforce straight or say I was set in Pumtu to me a coso. Auditor General report say 3.5 million Sika Yako consolidated fund and all the ban. Inti ye share yen consolidated fund no more 31.5 million and Auditor General the ababontia. There is a recovery sir. Unya honom no. You knew IGP so and a graphic bunkum so or that's honom no. Motivate staff to deliver on mandate. GJA say no juma efo no omunye juma. Oh the yasha womo. Kekadini. President orders audit of SOEs. State of institutions. President say I was here audit mo. You cannot just stay at your comfort zone. Na monye demo pe ho. So you best start ya audit mo honum. The state of institutions don't stay aloof. Our offices so exercise to block inefficiencies, deliver value. Next paper. Okay. Okay. Where are the news center? Hey, graphics are so bad. The news center. I say COP Yohunu is a new IGP as Imani. Professor Enin challenged Dr. Dan Paris remover. A lot of state institutions, heads, public figures, any political analyst, Omo Kasafa sa appointment you pay. I'm sure most of them are not interested in the change of IGP position now. Ira Mahama Ayon. But then a decision of you say Ira Yohunu will be the best person of it to my boano. I want to tell you no emo. MTN Ghana paid 8.6 billion taxes in 2024. MTN Ghana so metua 8.6 billion. Omo kwa yoso komutua 80.6. 80.6 billion. And it was in Komunutia. Minority questions 49.2 billion in budget. Almost Montiasi. Say, sa budget Sikana and this is for a chan. Montiasi. Alleged statistical theory. Deliberate data misreporting. Yakan Wasem. Additional 10.45 billion needed to complete financial sector. Clean up. Okay, Dr. Force and the other kind, you know. Call next paper. I know what you say. Besides, Kano. Yeah, they call financial sector. One more engine too. Okay. The Daily Searchlight. Yohunu to serve as IGP for just 9 months, as major questions pop up about his real age. So they are talking about his real age. People want to know more about him. And Tiabeshe na ekaho asem. Government has not shown sufficient commitment for big push implementations. Yanko your next paper. Okay. So Daily Searchlight to the end of that one. NLA under attack for scamming customers. NLA, National Lottery Authority, and what I said they've been attacked under attack for almost scanning customers. You know, nipa nenyana also this command no. Na koye bo achibidi and more raising her concern. Our security USA region. Western North region has broken down. Nti Bambo honsem. Yeah, atoye mantem no what say AJSC ni bonkum eso. Yeah, what they honsem so about the Daily Searchlight. Or they so abetu eja. You can keep coming out with more questions, and I say whatever you want to ask, we will do that for you quickly. Now, going on straight away, the two IGPs are almost abano. Let me first tell you, so today is the 73rd day of the year. I got 292 days remaining to end the year. 1967 in history, American President John F. Kennedy, and in history, and in history 1967, and more assassination, no, within 30 minutes from baby bone to the hospital, no, now at one and say so. Yeah, calling with the press release, a free man penny at my year, a far change of the IGP, yeah, a bar, and rather no. The working can be bigger car and far home. Okay. Into Yera George Akufo-Addo and run about a bar. Presidency Communications, or say President Mahama appoints COP Yohunu as Inspector General of Police. President John Dramani Mahama has, in accordance with Article 91 and 202 of the 1992 Constitution, and in accordance with the Council of State, appointed Commissioner of Police, COP Christian Tete Yohunu, as the Inspector General of Police. He replaces COP Dr. George Akufo-Addo. COP Yohunu brings 40 years of experience in the position of IGP and is expected to oversee the modernization and transformation of Ghana Police Service. It's Yera Felix Kwachiofosu, and now a spokesperson of the President, Government Communications, and Abetu Eja. And so let's compare the two. Mpenifo meni yensha siemfan free Yera Akufo-Addo, yeah, all kono. Na yenhwe said ye ono so tuma boy dwuma jafa George Akufo Dampare is a Ghanaian chartered accountant Ghanaian chartered accountant Emma the Ghana Police Service. He was appointed as the acting inspector of police by President Nana Akufo-Addo in July 2021, effective 1st August 2021. And he said the OC Air Cano was say Yura George Akufo Dampare and my penny Nana in a year no as process Sahene a war July 2021 numu and that we no Emma and BD ni Dibreno Sabreno. Now, what just say, why post a Jumano, if we after Hankono, Ediokono, in the 1990, and I say at age 20 as Ghana police, or 20 years, and I obey Ghana police or more in the ever. Na National Police Training School, Amano awards bebree, it's an Juma din, ya, ewo ehonum no. Na Director General Emma one more Bambo Edma Yukono, ya now show music asem so Finance and Welfare Committee no, and so to me Ebona Baso. Commandant of the Police Command, Staff College, Accra Regional Police Commander, Sabreno, Ono and Kudi Adio Honum, 8th October 2021, and you're sworn in our office as Inspector General of Police, IGP. Na yekoye nimuno. Say in December 1990, at age 20 no, Commissioner of the Police, COP, 24 years, obemuno, no 4 years, and a unya COP title no. Sisi ameno ka say, unya 44 years no, 2024, and a mupeja no ranking assign a day a man no. Esan say no abon homodin ye pa. Na wasan atwa so National Police Training School no, na wakọ nanim ewo omu. Wasan akọ Abucha man so esuasuade ewo ehonom. Onu the leading 32nd cadet officers edi womo ekọ womo training school baako ewo US. Ya omo etumi edi nkunim ewo saa adwumadi no emu. Nti womo bo na baso Sabreno ene Sabreno postifo a otumi elidi womo ede womo koye no. Osa survey as Director General Emma MTTD adwumayiko no. Na osan Research and Planning Director Emma Ghana Police Service. Actually, ena obey Director General for IT Department Emma Police Visibility Department na ewo and crime. Just say you can see ho asema wabo ebra anase wakọ nanim pa ewo posi adwuma no emu. Na Police Command and Staff College Accra Regional Police Command eho waye adwuma abwa wo mopa Municipal Commander for Cape Coast Chief Internal Audit Osabe Chief Internal Audit Emma Municipal Commander Cape Coast ye posti no enso ede ekọ honum ya ne ho asem wo mo de aba straight yanko yura tete de yayi ne mu no ya ono so ye de na bai ono so said we see akona nim e de afa COP Christian Tete yohunu ana eni yayi no say o meye acting Inspector General of Police IGP ya wobe she yura George Akufo Dampare anan no ono so e de ene didi so yi na meno wakasa yi mfinhia aduanan emu ana wo sha sie pagya ne dibre ese omeye COP ewo posi adwuma no emu na ono no ne journey no estati free Okwapem Mine School mu West Africa Secondary School eho eno hye na desua ase University of Ghana oye MBA in Project Management Institute of Professional Studies UPS so okoto aso ewo ho 2007 to 2009 obeye divisional commander Emma Accra Central wo mo post adwuma na wo ho no 2011 ene bona baso he was awarded the grand medal ya on na ye highest penimpa na watumi ache most robbery cases ewo nkran pumpuni mantam no emo afei 2012 ene promoting ko deputy commissioner of police ewo sabre no 2015 Director General Motor Traffic and Transport Directorate MTTD Penimpa yɛde Director General ɛda ano 2015 sabre no actually ɛne promoting no ɛde no sisi no yɛ promoting na yɛde no akɔ IGP de bre no nti busafo mu yenu no na kyɛ sɛ wo carry wo mu a ɛyɛ yie obia ɛsɛ fata na adwuma wo bɛbɔ no ana what is expected of them no ɛno ɛna very important ɛma Ghana fo nyina nti as to send people NDC ayi ni ade no ɔman ne nkanko ɛne ne mpumtu no ɛne ade a ehia yɛn paa na why say after say yeye nsesaye no some of the police men and security personnel no able say ye kwa kwhwe video no enura nwumre wabra kata ne pie na yesesa yera George Akufuda ampare no ehu se nkofo bebre ni agi titiu ene woni a wo post adwuma nim no enya asem keto akra yenko na yenkohwe video no so with ye kwa kwhwe video no so na office of yera Christian Tete ono so ne office enura enya asem keto a e wo no so fie honom ya wo mo so ebo sedi mu odin pa esanse yakopon esane aba behwe wo mo ewiase e bobra ko yanim and promotion there oko post adwuma ni mu a it is something ase obia ehwese ne nsa betumi aka de wo ba abontin ni kura no ohwe ni mu so be ye adwuma ana obepem akoso na watuma nya dibre bebrebe watumi apata akun bebrebe obetumi achechire chese already a lot of cases na chese ne omo rank no e kosoro no nti e kosoro nyina so no na odibre emu peja odibre mu peja no na obotom so yefe ti yenko na yenkohwe video a postifo mo IGP boni bay e na wayemo yesesa no osibo enkran penye behwe yenkohwe video no
the joy is all over. The joy is everywhere. We are going to win from our heart. Oh, Ghana, the security is in our hand, and this is what we have been ending and praying for. We thank God. We thank God for that. For listening to our President John Mama. God bless you. We have really listened to our prayers. Hey, freedom forever. Freedom forever. You can see the jubilant. Everybody's jubilant. Hey, police. You have a jubilant from everywhere. Everybody's happy. Oh. At long last, at long last, at long last. At long last, the joy is all over. The joy is everywhere. We are going to win from our heart. Oh, Ghana, the security is in our hand, and this is what we have been ending and praying for. We thank God. We thank God for that. For listening to our President John Mama. God bless you.
Enti abusuafo eno ho asem na okohwe ye no politifo ani age yibusa se adai ena wo mo ani age yebesan akọ COP Christian Tete yuhunu ono so omo jubilation ahodo akoso ohono mo a enya senketo akra akosi kuto obehye atade onsa no pay me ho ayefe pa ono na juju ye atade Friend 0553075526. Top Solo Electricals. Eso obehwe won Kenya ho nsem de amount. Wasifie awie hotel, hospital. Bibia wasi awie na peso bi waya e de mawo. Din Kenya nyina hire tum no. 0241729733 beboawo. Oyi kaire bites eye Ghana yene haba mane no branya akeka boma sonso. FD agya tumunti. For the Kaibites, a pronto ahodo party wedding singing obehwe no abre obi 0548 989435 Josie Enterprise se ka ho ne nyina obehwe na wonya bi e wona kache 0533 680771 Afei Sandy Ladies and Men Wear efiti Emma most rubisimo from mema bags ahodo de dressing na obenya bi dia ma 0542 857566 inmeriada roman no pay omobo ayema de obokranta ahodo eboto ya pon so no pensin mu de emam aha ena mede mu AC ewo yedwumadi so dodo adwa obako ntena so mepeja me mu na adwumadi nkaye atumi atena so minya be ma brante pa eni je afidi na chi echinchim na furuma de emame ma return so ebo mi chidom ewo show yi so me sorry so that ya ka to so me din that is time hene koku